Brainy Bites, a daily dose for self-improvement.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and not getting things done? Do you struggle to prioritize your tasks and stay focused? Do you find yourself constantly multitasking and not making any real progress? Do you want to learn the secret to getting things done effectively? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get things done by following a simple and effective process. You'll learn how to set clear goals, create a to-do list, schedule your time, focus on one task at a time, eliminate distractions, take breaks, and regularly review and adjust your approach. With these skills, you'll be able to accomplish anything you set your mind to and feel more productive and in control of your life. Getting things done effectively and efficiently can be a challenge, but it is a crucial aspect of personal and professional success. Whether it's completing a work project, reaching a personal goal, or simply managing daily tasks, having a strategy for getting things done can help you prioritize, stay focused, and ultimately achieve your objectives. There are many approaches and techniques for getting things done, including time management, goal setting, prioritization, and task delegation. The key is to find what works best for you and to consistently apply those techniques in order to achieve your desired outcomes. Getting things done requires a combination of planning, prioritization, and execution. Here are the steps to follow. Step number 1. Set clear goals. Identify what you want to achieve and set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. This will help you prioritize your tasks and determine what needs to be done first. Step number 2. Create a to-do list. Write down all the tasks you need to complete, and organize them in order of priority. This will help you keep track of what needs to be done and prevent you from forgetting important tasks. Step number 3. Schedule your time. Allocate specific blocks of time for each task and stick to your schedule. This will help you manage your time effectively and ensure that you stay on track. Step number 4. Focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking, as it can be distracting and decrease your productivity. Instead, focus on completing one task before moving on to the next. Step number 5. Eliminate distractions. Find ways to minimize or eliminate distractions, such as turning off your phone, closing your email, or working in a quiet environment. Step number 6. Take breaks. Regular breaks can help improve your focus and prevent burnout. Take short breaks throughout the day to recharge your batteries. Step number 7. Review and adjust. Regularly review your progress and adjust your approach as needed. This will help you stay on track and make any necessary changes to improve your productivity. By following these steps, you can develop a consistent and effective approach to getting things done and achieve your desired outcomes. Let's talk about the steps in more details. Kind reminder for our beloved viewers, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's get started. Step number 1. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is an important step in getting things done effectively. It helps you focus your efforts and determine what tasks are most important. Here's how to set clear goals. First of all, determine your desired outcome. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Be specific about what you want to accomplish and why it's important to you. Secondly, break down your goal into smaller, achievable tasks. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make it easier for you to see how you can make progress towards your goal. Thirdly, make your goals measurable. Make sure your goals are measurable so that you can track your progress and determine whether you are on track to achieving them. For example, instead of setting a goal to lose weight, set a goal to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months. Fourthly, set achievable goals. Make sure your goals are achievable. Setting unrealistic goals can be demotivating and lead to a sense of failure. Finally, set a timeline. Establish a timeline for achieving your goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and it will give you a sense of urgency to get things done. By following these steps, you can set clear, measurable, and achievable goals that will help you prioritize your tasks and determine what needs to be done first. Remember, goal setting is an ongoing process, so review your goals regularly and adjust them as needed. Does this all make sense so far? That brings us to our next point, which is step number 2. Create a to-do list. Creating a to-do list is an effective way to stay organized and keep track of all the tasks you need to complete. Here's how to create a to-do list. First of all, Write down all tasks. Start by writing down all the tasks you need to complete, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. This will ensure that you don't forget anything important. Secondly, prioritize your tasks. Organize your tasks in order of priority, starting with the most important tasks that need to be completed first. Consider factors such as deadline, importance, and the amount of time required for each task when determining priority. Thirdly, group similar tasks. If you have multiple tasks that are similar in nature, group them together. This will make it easier for you to focus on one type of task at a time, rather than switching between different types of tasks. Fourthly, use a system that works for you. Choose a system that works for you, whether it's a physical notebook, a digital app, or a combination of both. Make sure it's easily accessible and that you have a reliable way of tracking your progress. At the end, update your to-do list regularly. Regularly review and update your to-do list to ensure that it reflects your current priorities and that you're making progress towards completing your tasks. By following these steps, you can create a to-do list that will help you stay organized, prioritize your tasks, and ensure that you're making progress towards achieving your goals. Remember, a to-do list is a living document that should be updated regularly to reflect changes in your priorities and progress. Is this clear to you? As a follow-up to that, we should also look at step number 3. Schedule your time. Scheduling your time is an important step in getting things done effectively. It helps you manage your time and ensure that you're using your time wisely. Here's how to schedule your time. First of all, determine your available time. Start by assessing how much time you have available each day, taking into account work, family, and other commitments. Secondly, allocate specific blocks of time for each task. Based on the amount of time you have available, allocate specific blocks of time for each task on your to-do list. Consider the amount of time required for each task and prioritize tasks based on their deadline and importance. Thirdly, be realistic. Make sure that you're being realistic about the amount of time required for each task. It's better to overestimate the amount of time required for each task, rather than underestimate it and end up feeling overwhelmed or falling behind. Fourthly, stick to your schedule. Once you have allocated time for each task, stick to your schedule as much as possible. Avoid distractions and prioritize your tasks so that you can stay on track. Finally, review and adjust. Regularly review your schedule to see how you're using your time and make any necessary adjustments. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you're using your time effectively. By following these steps, you can schedule your time effectively, allocate specific blocks of time for each task, and ensure that you're using your time wisely. Remember, scheduling your time is an ongoing process, so be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. Are you with me so far? That leads us to the next aspect of this discussion, which is step number 4. Focus on one task at a time. Focusing on one task at a time is a crucial step in getting things done effectively. Multitasking can be distracting and decrease your productivity, so it's important to focus on completing one task before moving on to the next. Here's how to focus on one task at a time. First of all, eliminate distractions. Start by eliminating any distractions, such as turning off your phone, closing any unnecessary tabs or windows on your computer, and finding a quiet place to work. Secondly, prioritize your tasks. Look at your to-do list and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and deadline. Start with the most important task first, and work your way down the list. Thirdly, set a timer. If you find it difficult to focus for long periods of time, set a timer for a specific amount of time, such as 25 minutes. During this time, focus solely on the task at hand and avoid any distractions. Fourthly, take breaks. Regularly take short breaks to rest your eyes and refocus your mind. This will help you stay fresh and avoid burnout. Finally, celebrate your progress. Once you have completed a task, take a moment to celebrate your progress and acknowledge your accomplishments. This will help you stay motivated and focused. By following these steps, you can focus on one task at a time and avoid distractions, which will increase your productivity and help you get things done effectively. Remember, it's important to prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and take breaks to avoid burnout and stay focused. Do you understand what I'm saying? In continuation of our previous point, let's discuss step number 5. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is a crucial step in getting things done effectively. Distractions can quickly break your focus and cause you to lose time, so it's important to minimize or eliminate them. Here's how to eliminate distractions. First of all, identify your distractions. Start by identifying what distracts you the most. This could be your phone, email, social media, or other sources. Secondly, turn off notifications. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer for non-essential apps, such as social media and email. This will prevent them from interrupting your work. Thirdly, find a quiet place to work. If possible, find a quiet place to work, such as a library or a coffee shop. This will help you avoid background noise and stay focused. Fourthly, use tools to block distractions. There are various tools available that can help you block distractions, such as website blockers or focus timers. Find the tools that work best for you and use them regularly. Finally, set boundaries. Set boundaries with others and let them know when you're unavailable. This will help you avoid interruptions and stay focused. By following these steps, you can minimize or eliminate distractions and stay focused, which will increase your productivity and help you get things done effectively. Remember, it's important to identify your distractions, turn off notifications, find a quiet place to work, and set boundaries to avoid interruptions. Do you understand what I'm saying? In continuation of our previous point, let's discuss step number 6. Take breaks. Taking breaks is an important step in getting things done effectively. Regular breaks can help improve your focus and prevent burnout, so it's important to take them throughout the day. Here's how to take breaks. First of all, schedule breaks. Schedule short breaks throughout the day, such as a 5 to 10 minute break after every hour of work. This will give you a chance to recharge and refocus. Secondly, step away from your desk. During your breaks, step away from your desk and do something different, such as stretching, taking a walk, or grabbing a snack. This will help you avoid burnout and stay fresh. Thirdly, take a mental break. During your breaks, try to take a mental break as well. Turn off your phone and disconnect from work, and instead focus on something relaxing, such as reading a book, meditating, or listening to music. Fourthly, stay active. Regularly staying active during your breaks can help improve your focus and prevent burnout. Engage in physical activities, such as taking a walk, doing some light exercise, or practicing yoga. Finally, celebrate your breaks. Celebrate your breaks and enjoy them. This will help you stay motivated and focused, and prevent burnout. By following these steps, you can take effective breaks that will help you improve your focus, recharge your batteries, and prevent burnout. Remember, it's important to schedule breaks, step away from your desk, take a mental break, stay active, and celebrate your breaks to avoid burnout and stay focused. Does this all make sense so far? To round out our discussion, let's also touch on step number 7. Review and adjust. Reviewing and adjusting is a crucial step in getting things done effectively. Regularly reviewing your progress and adjusting your approach can help you stay on track and make any necessary changes to improve your productivity. Here's how to review and adjust. First of all, set a review schedule. Set a schedule for regularly reviewing your progress, such as weekly or monthly. This will help you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments. Secondly, evaluate your progress. During your review, evaluate your progress against your goals. Ask yourself what you've accomplished, what you need to do next, and what changes you need to make to improve your productivity. Thirdly, identify areas for improvement. Identify areas for improvement and make any necessary changes to your approach. This could be adjusting your schedule, prioritizing your tasks, or finding ways to eliminate distractions. Fourthly, celebrate your successes. Celebrate your successes and reflect on what's working well. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Finally, be flexible. Be flexible and willing to make changes as needed. Be open to adjusting your approach as circumstances change, and don't be afraid to try new approaches or tools. By following these steps, you can review and adjust your approach regularly, which will help you stay on track and make any necessary changes to improve your productivity. Remember, it's important to set a review schedule, evaluate your progress, identify areas for improvement, celebrate your successes, and be flexible in order to stay focused and get things done effectively. In conclusion, getting things done effectively requires a combination of setting clear goals, creating a to-do list, scheduling your time, focusing on one task at a time, eliminating distractions, taking breaks, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your approach. By following these steps, you can stay focused, achieve your goals, and improve your productivity. It's important to be flexible and willing to make changes as needed, and to celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, the key to getting things done is to be organized, focused, and proactive. With these skills, you'll be able to accomplish anything you set your mind to. If you found this video valuable, please consider sharing, liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.